Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy at home with Jolly Ranchers. First, gather your essential tools, a home cotton candy machine, and your favorite Jolly Rancher candies. Make sure your machine is sparkling clean and ready for action. Unwrap approximately 6 to 8 candies, depending on your machine's capacity. Then, preheat your cotton candy maker for about 10 minutes to ensure it reaches the optimal temperature for spinning. Now, it's time to melt your candies. Carefully place the unwrapped Jolly Ranchers directly into the machine's center heating element. Be sure not to overfill the chamber. Typically, 2 to 3 candies work best per batch. As the machine continues to heat, you will observe the hard candies slowly melting into a syrupy liquid. This transformation is crucial for creating those delicate, sugary strands we all love. As the Jolly Ranchers fully melt, you will see delicate, colorful sugar threads beginning to emerge from the machine's spinning head. Grab a paper cone or a sturdy stick and gently swirl it around the rim of the bowl, collecting these sweet strands. Continuously rotate your cone to build up the fluffy cotton candy. Keep spinning until all the melted candy has been transformed into a delightful, airy treat, usually taking just a few minutes. Your homemade Jolly Rancher cotton candy is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to experience its fresh, airy texture and vibrant flavor. Feel free to experiment with various Jolly Rancher flavors to create exciting new color and taste combinations. Remember to clean your cotton candy machine thoroughly after each use to maintain its performance. This simple process allows you to enjoy a fun, sweet treat at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.